Hello everyone, I'm Sunil Kumar and today we are going to learn a very interesting English expression, on and on. Now tell me, have you ever met someone who keeps talking and talking and talking and they just don't stop? In English, we say he went on and on. So what does on and on mean? On and on means continuing for a long time without stopping, usually longer than expected and sometimes in an annoying way. It shows something continuous, repeatedly or endlessly. Now let's understand the structure. We usually use it like this: subject plus verb plus on and on. For example, he talked on and on. The meeting went on and on. She complained on and on. You can also use it with about. Subject plus verb plus on and on plus about plus something. For example, she went on and on about her vacation. He kept talking on and on about his new phone. Now let's look at some simple examples. The teacher explained the topic on and on. The baby cried on and on all night. The movie felt like it went on and on. She kept asking questions on and on. Now listen carefully. Sometimes on and on is neutral. Sometimes it shows irritation. For example, the rain went on and on. This just means it continued for a long time, but he went on and on about his problems. This sounds like you are a little tired of listening. Now let's take some real life situations. Imagine you are in a meeting. Your boss starts explaining something. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and you are thinking, oh my God, this is going on and on. Or during exams, your parents may say, don't play games on and on. Go study. Now, here is one important thing. Don't say he was on and on. That's wrong. Say he went on and on, or he talked on and on, because on and on needs a verb before it. Very good. Now I want you to make your own sentence using on and comment below. Before we finish, remember, if something continues longer than expected without stopping, you can confidently say, it went on and on. Practice. Use it in daily conversation and don't let your English practice go on and on without improvement. Make it powerful. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.